Hello everyone, this is ToadetteFan Girl 2020 and welcome to one of these game servers. Look familiar? Looks like the Mushroom Kingdom. Well, let's go see what's up. Princess Pink has been kidnapped! Hey, or Princess Pink has been kidnapped! Hey, I'm a Red Plumber. We need to save the princess. Hey, I didn't know your name was Red Plumber. You're a weird-looking Mario with a weird-looking cap on. You're nothing close to Mario. And you're nothing close to Toad. What has happened? Well, let's go in Princess Peach's castle and see what's up. Holy buckets. What's up there? Since when was the pipe here? The big Bow Wow went through this. Bow Wow. Nowhere close to Bowser. What a doofus. Oh my god. Weird looking, crappy looking Goombas. Do I hit this? Does this give me anything? No? Oh, alright. I'm wondering what this does. I guess we have to, like... Oh, what's in this pipe? Anything happening? I guess not. Whoa, I almost fell off the edge. Goombas. Weird looking Goombas. Well, I guess I'm not seeing. Let's go in the pipe. That's a weird-looking Koopa. This is the Turtle Canyon. Get up to the other side to get to the desert. If I can. I'm not sure what these pipes do. A sky in the water? What do you call that? This is a interesting Super Mario game. Okay. And what is that, a cloud? Okay. Well, it's like we gotta get to the desert. So I guess suggest we go there. What's up? Do you talk? Can't even reach that pipe. So I'm guessing we're gonna go over here. Is there anything we can drop to? Okay. Weren't we just here? I think we were just here. Weren't we? Or maybe not. Am I imagining things? Oh, there's other people. Don't push me off. I will be mad. I feel like I was here, but this is like a maze. Alright, come on, go. Slowpoke. Well, let's go to the desert. Fat guy pushing me. Look at all the pokies. I hope I don't push it. I hope I don't, touch one. Oh, I touched one! How are you supposed to avoid this? This is like the world's hardest game. How do you go through those without avoiding them? What pattern do they go in? This is the world's hardest game right here. Oh, come on! Well, I could be here for long. Do they ever touch the sides? Of course they do! I'll avoid them that way. And we'll see what happens. Nope! That doesn't work. Let's try the other side. But it's going to do the same thing. So why even try? Well, let's just follow them. And I'm sure we'll be okay. See, I told you it wasn't bad. Now where does this pipe go to? These pipes don't even do anything, so what's the point? Whew, that was hard. Oh, that's what the pipe does. It respawns you when you fall into the desert. I see. Oh, shoot! Come on! I can't speak. I can never talk. I always say gibberish words. Apparently my keyboard must be broken because it ain't doing good things. Just how it is. What up, weird-looking shy guy? Need to find the key. Well, where is the key? Oh, great. It's a maze. And there's somebody else. Found the keyhole, but where's the key? Well, let's go find the key, wherever the heck it is. I don't know where. Let's try over here. Ooh, I found it. Does it mean I get to have it first? I found the key, everybody. So now I can unlock the door. This is fun. You should totally play this game. Oh, she has a good skin. Now I just gotta find where the keyhole is. Nope, not over there. Alright, let's go. Use our key. Yes! Goodbye. Let's go. Ooh, now it looks like we're in a beach area. I can put the key away. We don't need that. Is this all it is? Do we have to dive under the water? Ooh, we do! This is so cool. Funny looking cheeps and bloopers. What do the bubbles do? Are we gonna drown? So how are we gonna get up? Do we have to jump on these guys? Oh, someone else looked like they found the key. I think we have to jump on these guys because it seems to be the only way. Yep, just like she's doing. Are the bubbles, are you able to jump on them? Sweet, you can't. Ah! Alright, I'm gonna be quiet because if I talk, I'm gonna fail. And everyone's gonna beat me. Well, at least I made it through. What's next? Hey, I see a vine. I can only go to 10 minutes, so I won't be able to finish the video, but I'll probably do a part 2, and then you can see that until I get to, like, the end. And I'll be playing other servers in the future. Are you able to climb this up? Like a ladder? Yes, you can. What have they done to my boy, Yoshi? Yoshi, what have they done to you? No! Yoshi! Fire shy guys. Oh, they act just like the Pokies. Try not to touch one. Apparently, in the game, you cannot jump over stuff, or you'll die. What have they done to you, my boy Yoshi? Come on. Ah! I touched one. Let's do... How are we supposed to avoid these crap? They're everywhere. They act just like the Pokies. Ah! This is hard. How are you supposed to avoid them? Oh my god, Yoshi, out of my way. Ah! I don't think I'll be able to get past these. I may have to do it off screen. It's too hard. What do these X's do? They literally... Maybe I can go to each X. Oh! And then you have to avoid the other one! Come on! I keep bumping into Yoshi. What is this? What is this madness? This level is so hard! Even the fire's oh, come on! Even the fire might hurt you. I don't think I can go on. This is too insane. This is hard. That one's not even moving. How do I avoid these? They're like everywhere. Oh, come on! Guys, I don't think I can continue. This is too brutal. I may have to do it off screen. And I think that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, come on! I could be here for decades trying this. This is like the world's hardest game. And we're gonna have to stop right there because we're running out of time. Next time, I will be finished with this level. I'm not showing it on screen. This is ToadetteFan Girl, and see you guys later.